Today's topic, articles. What is an article? An article is a word which is used with a noun to specify grammatical definitions of a noun. Okay? Grammatical definiteness of a noun. Okay? So, articles, there are two kinds of articles. That is, one is the indefinite articles and the definite articles. Indefinite articles are a or an. We already learned in our smaller classes to use a or an. And the definite article is the. Okay? Alright? So, let's see first where we have to use the indefinite articles. Some rules. Okay? First one I would like to tell, indefinite articles, that is a or an, are used with singular. We know that a or an is signifying single. Okay, so singular with first time, when it is used in the first time. So for example, I have seen a monkey. Okay, I have seen a monkey on the tree, and when we continue the sentence, the monkey we say. Okay, we won't use the a. Correct? So when we use it the first time, we have to use a. For example, a child, an elephant, a television. Alright? So we understood the first rule. And second rule, we don't use a or an with. Okay? First is possessive pronouns. We know possessive pronouns. Already we know what are the possessive pronouns. We have learned in our previous lessons. That is my, her, or whatever, his, whatever is theirs. Okay, all those are called possessive pronouns. With the possessive pronouns, we will not write articles a or an, because my shirt, we will not add a here. See, it will be wrong sentence. So my shirt is dirty, we will not write a there. Understand? So already my shirt is mentioned here, a will not be there. Okay, we will not write a there. Understand? So with the possessive pronoun, we will not write a. And demonstrative. It is this car. We will not say this a car. We won't say a word there. Instead of a, we write this or that. Okay? Understand? So this car is expensive. Here we don't use a. Again, we won't use a here. Okay? Understand? So next sentence. Okay? Now this is cardinal number. See, one person is in the reception. So we want to mention, we use one because we need to mention the number, particular number we need to mention them. So we want to give importance to the number. So we are saying one person. I have found a person there. We can say a person is there in the reception, but I want to point out one there, one person. So there we are using one. Understand? Let's see where to use a or an. Use a or an, we need to remember certain things. Okay, like consonant sounds. See, you know consonant sounds. Before consonant sounds only we write a. If the word is beginning with D, that is a consonant sound, correct? So we write E. Okay. If it is vowels A, I, U, begins with A, I, U, we need to write and already we know the rule. Okay, correct. What are the consonant sound? Tell me. B, C, D, F, that comes. Okay, continues. Okay. Now A, I, U are the vowels. So before those words only we write and with before consonant sounds we write a. That we already learned in our smaller classes. Okay. Now we need to be careful about certain words. Okay. We need to remember the sound of the letter is important. Okay. Sound of the letter. Now for example, a house. We are saying house. House. H is pronounced. Correct? H. Ha sound is coming. So there we need to write it is consonant sound. No. So we need to write a. Okay. But remember, an hour. Do we say a hour? We will not say. Why we are writing an hour? Because this I said sound. See, letter H. We start the word with the H. That is consonant. Okay, so I agree. But how we said owl, correct? O-U-R, we pronounce it like this. So, starting letter is O. O sound comes first, correct? Owl, sound is coming. So, here we need to write, what we have to write? An. Understand? So, the same way, just look, a university. Here, the starting letter is U. Already we know the rule A, I, O, U. It is U. So we will think that why we are writing A here. Why can't we write an? There is a confusion now. So we need to change, thinking that sound is important. Here I remember sound is important. University. We say university. Not oo. Oo is not pronounced. We are writing university. So we need to think about sound. So it becomes A. Clear? Okay. Now let's go to next thing, that is before adjectives also we use a or an. Okay, before adjectives, like a very cold day, a very good person. See, before adjectives. Okay, we are describing a noun is called adjective. So before adjectives also we can a cold day, a very good day. Okay, all those things are we can use a. Understand? Clear? Or an also can be used there. A or an. Clear? Now let's see the definite article. The. Okay. This is used before singular or plural nouns. Okay. It can be used before singular or plural. In a and an we used before only singular. Okay. Now here we can use before singular or plural, and we should be clear about a particular thing or name. Before that we need to use the, because we should know this is the one we are speaking about. Okay, understand? So for example, now I am going to a hospital. I want to meet a doctor. I say I want to meet a doctor, but I know the doctor I want to meet. You see, I am saying I want to meet a doctor. Meet the doctor sitting in that room, particular room. So I know the doctor, particular doctor in my mind, and I know I can point out. There we write the. Okay, clear? So now I am going to meet a teacher. Okay, I want to meet the teacher, means the particular teacher, the English teacher. Okay, I want to meet the teacher. There we write the. Understand? A teacher means any teacher you can meet. Understand? Clear the difference between the and the? Then A and A. Okay, now here there is a lamp. Okay, there is a lamp placed in my bedroom. Okay, the lamp is near the desk, placed near the desk. So here I write the. Why? We already said a lamp is there in my room. A lamp is there. So again I am repeating the same lamp, and we know the lamp which I am talking about. Clear about the particular lamp. So the lamp is used. Clear? So the next point, anything which we identify immediately. Okay. Now we can identify. Now I went for a new film yesterday. I went for the new film. I want to watch a new film. So the. Okay, the is used there. We know that immediately we could recognize something. Okay, there we can write the. And other one is musical instruments. Okay, she plays the piano. Okay, plays the piano. The piano we will say. A piano, plays a piano we will not say. We will have to say the piano. Okay, musical instruments, whatever it is. Okay, now the names of rivers, seas, mountain, we say no, the Everest. We will not say an Everest, we say the Everest, or the any rivers or the Kaveri or the Narmada. Okay, whatever it is, we write the rivers, seas, mountains. Before that we have to write the article, that is definite article, that is the. Understand? So, or direction, the west, the east, the south, west, or whatever it is. No? The direction when we show, we need to say, we have to use the. Clear? Understand? These are the rules where we need to write the. Remember, we should point out to something. Okay? The noun or name or things or the animals or whatever it is, we should point out to the particular thing. Then we have to use the. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's see no article. Okay, no article. certain places we will not write articles. There is no use of article. Okay, like when we are speaking, when we refer to general ideas like religion. Think religion. Religion is an important issue. Okay, now religion. We will not write the here. Okay, we will not write here. The religion we will not say, because you know why? It is because religion is a common general idea. Okay, there we will not hear. Now Mexican food, this is also a general idea. Here also we will not write the. Clear? Understand? So here we have to remember not to use the. Okay, next, name of some books. Okay, books. Okay, books, people or place. Okay, there we will not write the, unless it is the title of the lesson. Title of the lesson or title of the book is starting with the, we have to write the. If it is not the, we will not write the before that particular name. For example, I have read Romeo and Juliet. I have read the, we will not use. Understand? The is not used before particular place or stories or whatever it is. Understand, poem? Okay? Understand? Now, next is towns, cities, states, countries. Okay? For towns, cities, states, countries. Except the USA, the UK, the Netherlands, the Philippines. Okay? Except these countries, we will not write the before all this will. India we say, we will not say the India. Okay? The India we will not say, we will say only India. India is my country. The India is my country, we will not say. We say India is my country. Okay? Understand? Clear? So, except these USA, UK, Netherlands, Philippines, there we write that. Understand? Now let's go. Fourth point, lakes, single islands, continents or mountains. Before that, we will not add the earth. Okay? Here, Lake Victoria. Before that, we will not write the article the. Or Asia. We will not write the article the. Understand? So, now before planet. Planets, you know, no? Planets. Before the name of planets, we will not add the article. Okay? Clear? Now, sports and games. Okay? Before sports and games also, we will not add. I play tennis. We will not say I play the tennis or I play. What we will say? What we will say? We will say I play tennis, not the tennis. Okay? I like to play with my friends cricket. I will not say the cricket. Okay? Here, before sports or games, we write the article. We will not write article. There also we will not write article. Now, meals like a lunch, supper, dinner, whatever it is. The meals, if it is meals, we will not say article. We will not use article before that. Breakfast or lunch or supper. Clear? Understood? Now you might have got a confusion. Where to use the or the pronunciation? Now there is difference now. So if there is A, E, I, U, U vowel sounds, there we write, pronounce it as the. Okay, the. Clear? The is pronounced. Before, if the word the is used before A, vowels, or if it is before consonants, we say it as the. Okay? The and the. Only pronunciation difference. Spelling is same. Clear? Okay, children, now what we have to do is just go, take a book or a newspaper, English newspaper, take it, read a paragraph and see the difference between what articles are used there. Where we use a and the or the, whatever comes there, no, just go reading a paragraph and understand it clearly. If any doubts or need clarification, ask me. Thank you.